Guys, welcome to this masterclass tutorial. I'll be showing you my step-by-step process, the exact method I have used many times to create a stunning skin fade. Now sit back, watch carefully. You will be able to master this fade in less than 5 minutes. Now I pull out my trimmer, marking the exact spot for my baseline. I'm carefully punching in without pressing too hard against the skin, cutting off the C-cuff and creating a slight curvature all the way below the occipital bone. Next, I'm removing all the excess book underneath to create a nice panel. Here, to get the scarf closer to the skin, I turn the trimmer the other way around for a closer cut. This gives a more professional look. Now, with no guard, about a finger width, I'm creating my second guard line, making sure the line stretches properly while maintaining the width of the guard all the way through. Here, I push the lever handle about a notch, starting below the line and flick up to the line. I continue using this same motion while maintaining the width of my guard. Now, with the lever fully closed, I'm flicking into the line, basically taking out any visible line to create a smooth transition. Here, with a 1 guard and the lever fully open, I'm creating about a 1-inch guard line. Guys, remember to brush as regularly as possible. Now with a 1/16 guard and the lever halfway closed, I'm flicking into the line, separating the dark from the light area. If I need to go higher, I adjust the lever or use the corner of the blade. That's the only way to achieve a clean blend. Here, with the lever fully closed, I continue to refine the fade, making sure the process stays consistent throughout. With a 1.5 guard, lever fully open, this is as far as I will take the fade. I won't be cutting any hair off the top, as my client told me earlier during the consultation that he wants to keep it. Now it's time for detailing. Use everything you have in your toolbox to make this happen. This is the stage to really shine, cleaning up the fade for a smoother and a sharper look. Lastly, I come in with my electric shaver to add even more transition to the fade. Guys, if there's anything you didn't understand during this process, let's continue the conversation in the comments. And if you have any haircut like this, just pull up this video to rewatch it. You will definitely get same result. Hope you learned something new. I will see you guys in the next video.